Moja One Kenya coalition. There's no doubt in our mind that Azimio won the elections convincingly. The facts are there. We got the highest number of members of parliament in the country. We got the highest number of members of county assemblies in the country. We also won a number of governors and senators. We won in most of the regions, in Nyanza, in Western, in the coast, in Lower Eastern, in Upper Eastern, in Northeastern, in a number of counties within the Rift Valley, in Nairobi, and according to the whistleblower, several countries in the Central Province. With those kind of statistics, so we know that we won elections. And that's the reason why we talk with a lot of confidence that we won the elections. And people know what transpired. People saw what happened at Bomas of Kenya on the 15th of August. It has never happened anywhere in the world where the Electoral Commission, where the referees in an election disagree publicly. Out of 7 members of the Electoral Commission, 4 said no to the results which were being announced by the chairman of the Electoral Commission. Under normal circumstances, those results should not have been accepted. They should not even have, nobody should even have announced them. There was a dispute within the Electoral Commission. And that's why we talk with confidence. 3 and 4. My little knowledge of arithmetic tells me that 4 is bigger than 3. For the first time, we have seen a new math where 3 is bigger than 4. We want to make rigging a very, very expensive enterprise. That nobody will ever again think of rigging an election in this country.